In June of 2013, President Obama announced a Connect Ed initiative in an attempt to upgrade the technology available in the classroom. Currently, fewer than 20% of educators say their school's internet connection meets their teaching needs. The average school currently has the same connectivity as the average American home, but serves 200 times as many users. Connect Ed initiative focuses on upgrading connectivity in the classroom through next-generation broadband and high-speed wireless in their schools and libraries. Connect Ed also invests in training and supporting educators on how to use technology to help improve student outcomes. Investments will also be made to obtain educational devices and high-quality educational software that can provide content aligned with college and career-ready standards being adopted and implemented by states across America. These investments made by the Connect Ed initiative will help provide a quality and globally competitive education for America's children in the near future.